What's the meaning of anarchy? Anarchy. 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 Anarchy.
Anarchy is a state of disorder caused by the absence or non-recognition of authority. It is characterized by a lack of governmental control and the absence of social structure and order. In an anarchic society, individuals have complete freedom to act as they please without any consequences for their actions. This can lead to chaos, violence, and insecurity, as there is no governing body to enforce rules or protect citizens from harm. Ultimately, anarchy can lead to a breakdown in societal norms and can have severe negative consequences for individuals and communities.